Hi dear friends, how are you? This is Tariqul Islam comes again with a new episode of my continuous parenting series. And you know that now I am on the part 5 of my continuous parenting series blog where I am discussing about the colleging related issues of your son or daughter, that what techniques, what issues you have to face and how you will face these situations perfectly, efficiently. Here I am discussing about these issues, and today I will discuss another important thing, that is the extracurricular activities or other curricular activities except college. When your baby is going to the college, that is a very important time, a very perfect time for career planning, and I have discussed the factors that you have to be considered and prioritize when you select about your future expected career path. So you may visit that video to have decide and plan about your goal. And whenever you have a goal, you have a certain career path, then you have to be prepared for your career. How you will take this preparation, I will discuss this today. We know that colleging is the very important stage of human life, because on that time a student is to be matured. That's why their mentality and many other things is being changed, and the activities of college life changes their life because it is a turning point. After colleging, they are admitted on the university levels, and whenever they admit on a university, they are on a track. So this is the precautionary time of the going a journey. That means whenever you plan to go a journey, you have to arrange your bag, buy a ticket. That is the perfect time to buy your ticket. So colleging time should not be wasted. You have to use your every moments perfectly on that age, because if you waste this time, its impact may be greater and you may face problems in your future life and you have to pay more. That's why you have to efficiently use that times, and that's why this is the perfect time to be prepared for your professional life and for future life. How you will be prepared, that is related with extracurricular activities or other curricular activities except college. When a baby goes to college, he has actually few times to spend to do other things, but there are some times he may pass these times by playing or by doing gossiping or by doing other things like Facebooking, social media, movie watching, gaming, or by doing something on learning process. That is the best way that he can pass that leisure time to learn something, because I have mentioned that this is very much important duration of everyone's life. So if he pass this time for learning process something that will be beneficial for his future life, it is best application of the time, and he will be benefited the long life after his end of the life. So how he will utilize this time, he have to at first select his career, and I have mentioned that, I have discussed it on my previous videos, that how they will select their proper career. After selecting a proper goal, they have to select that which qualities he require to be successful on that profession. In every professional life, there are some specific qualities required to be successful. So like you are going to a marketing related job, you need some communication skill. If you want to be an engineer, you need some computer skill and analytical ability. If you want to be a teacher, you need a leadership quality, presentation quality and communication quality, and also fluency. So every profession has specific criteria to be successful on that profession. So if you want to become success, you have to select the criteria that is required to become successful in your required goal. After selecting that qualities, you have to think that how you will achieve this, and you have to do this. Like if you want to become an engineer, I have mentioned that you need some analytical ability and computer skill and also English skill. So you may make yourself, prepare yourself by such way that you may learn some computer course, programming course, graphics design and other things. and you also may be engaged with some English spoken course like speaking IELTS or others. And these are available also in the online. In online you will find a lot of tutorials related with these issues. And if you want to be a marketing related officer or banker or teacher, you need communication skill as well as leadership. So you can develop your leadership and communication skill by doing many voluntary job, by doing many voluntary job like blood campaign or relief collecting for the flood affected people, or doing some voluntary works related with some NGOs. Many NGOs offer voluntary works for students. You may be engaged with that work that will enhance your communication skill, and your network will be broader. It will be helpful in future for you to be successful in professional life. And other important thing is you have also to take preparation for your graduation, because when you you select a goal that you want to be an engineer or doctor, you have at first to be admitted. So to be admitted on that institution like medical college, engineering college, you need some preparation. You also have to take this preparation on college life. It is also other curricular activities beyond your colleging. So I think you have some idea about your extracurricular activities that should be in your college life, and if you follow this, I hope you will be successful in your professional life. So thank you very much. I am finishing my video today. I will come again tomorrow with another issue related with colleging. Up to that time, I am finishing this video, and I am welcoming you to subscribe my channel and follow my other videos related with parenting. Bye.